Sabi? Yeah!
Pero,
Nasabay daw kami sa school event, but it's okay. We're still going to enjoy this. Look, they have water park here. Hi, ate! Oo nga eh. It's okay, ate.
marami to eh. Marami to.
Oh. Di pa tayo papasok.
Saan ba? Dito, di ba?
Ano, may masaya na siya. Enter. Enter here. Teka. Hi. Here on the theater. Yeah. Happy ate, happy. Uy, careful naman when you walk. Haya. It's a big. Ito pero start na rin ang screen. Oh.
Daddy. Daddy, why the TV so dark?
Did you enjoy? Was it a nice movie? Wow, robots baby.
Wait lang, sana.
Sila si Daddy.
Separate entrance. So,
See, they're following you. They're looking at you.
walk, walk, walk.
Walk, walk, walk. See? The dragons are looking at you. Did you see? Hello? Hello? You see? Twenty, now look around. Did something happen? Nothing? Push this one.
You don't touch them.
What's that, ate? What's that? Those are magic shadows. So what's that, Kai? Dragon. Okay. It's normal. You need to walk. Go inside. Go, go, go. Ate, try this one. Go. This is called Cloud Rings.
And press. Ano yun?
Press and hold daw eh. Pump.
Natin.
Pump, pump, pump muna, pump. 1, 2, 3, pump. And then, press.
Oh, press daw, press.
Press and hold.
Wala naman.
Ay, wala. Hindi siya bababa.
Hello. One start. Once you reach to the button, you can press the button.
Ah.
Press the button.
Now, press the button and hold.
Can say again?
Long press.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Thanks. Natutuwa yung mga bata dito. Lots of things to try pa.
Spin it.
Whoa. This one's linkages. Ooh.
Hindi na. Pabaliktad na. Hindi na.
Guys, try this one.
Struggle is real. Kai, go, 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 go. Yay, go. Yes, good job. Pinwheel.
No, naman like that. Fish mo. Masyado makapit. Press.
Are they fighting? What's that? Why is the man? It's eating. It's actually spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Yeah. What are they doing, Kai Kai?
Fighting.
They're fighting.
Ice cream.
No, it's not ice cream. It's spaghetti. Let's go. We try other things. Come on. Oh, you want to watch this one pa? Let's go. Oh, what is it doing? Huh? It's moving. Say hi.
Jumping. Jumping.
It's jumping. It's a kangaroo jumping.
Yeah.
Oh, how about this one? What's that?
Right and right. Do that one.
What's that?
It's a house.
It's a house. No. It's a sea. And then sailors and their boat. Okay, let's try this one.
What's that?
What's that? Oh, what's that? It's a planet and a UFO.
Oh.
What's that? What's that? Is that? Oh, it's a bird. It's a dancing bird.
So funny.
So funny. What are they doing?
Making the food and
Here, here. Sige. Na-enjoy namin dito. Ang saya. Yeah.
mamita.
Ano ba yung science center? 40 lang.
What are you doing? What's that?
It's moving.
It's moving. Let's go.
Here. Sana ate.
Like that.
No. Ay, kasi daddy, separate pa talaga yung entrance. Yun yung entrance, oh. Kaya pwede
Pero
pa.
pag, pwedeng bumalik daw.
Can you carry the mammoth, ate? This one, no? This one lang yan, no?
Carrying the bone.
Yeah, this one lang yan. Just the bone, ate. And that's 25 kilograms. Okay. Oh, baby, get your stamp. Ay, or, ayun na yan. Ah. Whoa! Look!
May digital trail. Gusto mo.
Is this considered as ano rin? Dinosaur? What's that? You tell mommy what's that?
Ano, koma na eh.
These are fossils, baby.
Rossil.
Totoo to? Grabe. Mukhang totoo.
Tsaka malamig, no? Malamig masyado dito.
Oh, it's a weird looking shark. Yeah.
This one's so big.
Yeah. This one looks like a Pokemon.
Mommy, can you?
But the name is, it's Ammonite. It means horn of Ammon. Ammonites were marine mollusks with coiled shells that thrived in prehistoric oceans for 350 million years. That's so historic. Big bug. A big fly. Looks like a big fly to me. But it's Meganeuropsis.
Pero ang ganda naman.
Yeah.
What's that? What's that, ate?
Ganda.
You look like a lizard.
It's Seymoria bilorensis.
Look at this, ate, oh.
Oh, this one looks like lizard though.
This one,
This one, lizard. Ooh, it looks like a tadpole. Diba?
This is cactus.
This looks like a frog. Diba? I think this is where frogs came from. No? What's that, Kai? That's a Dimetrodon. Inatosaurus. That... Ate, don't run, please.
No running, ate.
Oh, uy.
Ate.
Kayo, there's lots more
Tony.
here. Whoa.
Tony. Here.
It's a Biarmosophus.
Wait for us, ha?
A crocodile from Biarmia.
Wait for us,
Oh.
ate.
Kai, what's this? It looks like a triceratops, but it's not. It looks like a crocodile. No, it's a crocodile. This one is a small dinosaur.
This one.
That one.
Look, okay, what's that?
This was a big one, ate. OMG. I got your prize. But it's only a part of it. No?
Dictodon.
Dictodon.
Dictodon. What's that?
Xenodon.
This is a Dictodon.
It's a Dictodon?
Ate.
Yeah.
The Xenodon.
Dictodon. Oh my.
Porosaurus.
And what is this spoon?
I think this is the they have model. It looks like a seal to mommy. No? And what's this? Ang laki. Eh, para siyang Velociraptor. Can you see it?
Go, go, go faster. Someone's waiting.
What are you getting?
Faster. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up.
Oh, what dinosaur is that?
Move, move, move.
Don't touch, ha?
Stoy. Tsaka may,
Oh, do.
Hey, you don't see this
Ay, yeah, hindi kasi nakita, Daddy. That's an Aeroraptor, baby. Whoa.
Ano meron dito?
That's Herrerasaurus.
That is one.
Try touch. Oo, don't touch the
Sabi touch me.
Ta-da! Is that? Mommy's that.
Hungry.
Mommy's
After
that.
Stop. Let's get stamped.
That.
Yeah, there's a... Wait for ate.
Ano? Last one.
Yay! This is a Margosaurus. Let's find out what's this dinosaur, itong big dinosaur na to. It's definitely not a Brachiosaurus. Ah, this is a Patagotitan daw. Baby, it's a Patagotitan. Patagotitan. And this is a Margosaurus.
Tyrannotitan.
Grabe. Oh. It's really big. Haba oh. Beach. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my God. Ganito ka lang kay ang T-Rex.
Picture ako ulit kayo.
T-Rex. What the... Our second stamp.
Wait lang ate.
Yeah.
Nice try.
Is dapat mo muna ate. Saka mo i-push. Okay, next. Kay's turn. Ate, go down na. Come here, mommy. Kay's turn.
Mommy.
Ayan. Dapat nyo muna yan. Then push.
And
Good.
then the number 3.
Then we look for 3 and 4.
Wait lang.
What is 3 and 4?
Ate, this one's the elephant back then. What's that, Daddy?
Go.
A dog. Ang hirap kasi magitin ng pangalan.
Yeah?
Those are real dead birds. And what's
Squirrel.
this? A squirrel word on our third stamp.
Another stamping.
Third stamp na namin.
And can I do?
Yes, yes, yes. Wait lang, hindi na ako na. So, wow, birds. Next. Anong meron?
Color. Diinan nyo pa. Done. Okay, Kay-Kay's turn. Let's go. Harder, baby. Okay, go. Very good. Next. Last one.
Last time.
Press.
Wow.
Ganito siya. Ay, tingnan ate. Wow. Is this for mommy?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Kay-Kay.
Let's go. Kay-Kay next. Ate, oh.
No, for you.
This is for mommy. Okay.
Go, go.
Go, Kay-Kay. 1, 2, 3. Good.
Go. Wow.
Wow. What next?
Move somewhere else, ate. Move.
Kay-Kay, find dinosaur. Kay-Kay, go. Find dinosaur.
Ate, wala na dyan. Hanap ka pa sa iba.
Napafind ni ate. Find more.
Anything else, guys?
Kay-Kay, find for dinosaur. Yeah, may baby girl. More there. Yeah. Go. Dig deeper, baby. Dig deeper. Galing ni ate. Tony, tsaka ni Kay-Kay. Oh, wait, Tony, don't do that.
Wait lang. Isa lang. Can you turn?
Okay, now you can get.
Can you do it?
Wow.
Happy. Next ate.
Okay,
Go,
on.
go.
Come here.
Daddy?
Ate first. Later, ate.
Spin.
Yeah, later ate will, daddy will help you. Can you do it? Can you get it?
It's okay. Daddy will get it.
That mommy or
Go, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's see what
There.
it is.
Yay, let's go. What did you get? Show mommy. What did you get? What's that? Here. Keychain. How about ate? Keychain and a pin. It's a pin. You can put it in your bag
clothes.
or in your clothes. Yeah. And then stickers. Oh, later na. Hold it first. Yeah. That concludes our dino experience.
You can come back to Science Center.
Yes. Lunch. Dito sa Science Discovery.
Pray muna ate.
Pray ate.
Cellphone.
May sakit pa
Bawi
yan.
ako next time.
2:30 p.m. Stay put.
That's your favorite toilet?
What?
Ate, that's how the flush works. You see?
Sometimes snakes can come up.
You. That's when it's clog. Push, push, push. If you push, did you hear it? Again. Push. Is that daddy's part?
Mommy, you're over.
Wait lang. Press 1 lang. No, it's a fly, see? Fly brings bacteria and germs.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, go, go. Baby, wait for your turn. Okay, go, go, go. Okay, you can play, go. Go, go, go. No, no need to remove. It's okay lang. Go.
Mommy, oh, again, this is so fun.
Slow mo. Oh, stand up again. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Alright. We're done with the poo-poo now. Ay! Di ba sila dito pwede, Daddy? The science of fear. Si Kai Kai, nahanap ka di. Sabi niya, Daddy.
Kasama ka sa ibang tao ka dito.
Go, ate, go. Pull, pull, pull and push, pull and push. Go, go, go. Kiss mo na. Yan. This is a seismograph daw. Ayan, no. So, the harder you jump, the harder, the biggest the, what do you call that one, the graph is. Yan.
Jump
Go,
together.
jump.
Daddy will jump.
Yeah, let's see how... Hindi, Daddy, dapat maraming beses.
Kahit na max 2.
Look at the ocean. Look at the water. Look at the water. If you move it, ate, observe the water. See? Ate, observe the water. Oh, try it. Try spinning on the other way. Try spinning on the other way. You see? Pila sila for Typhoon Simulator. Ooh! Simulator. was it? How was the storm? Did you experience a real storm?
So windy, I can move my butt.
No, 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 it's not. This one is weaker. Weaker. See, like weaker. And if you turn it, when you come bigger.
That's
See?
how the wave of water.
Sulit ah, 40 lang.
You want to take a picture there, Daddy?
Go there, picture. May pila ata.
Oh, you hold Daddy's hand.
Kabila, kabila.
Both of you, go. Uy, there's an elephant.
Sit down, sit down.
Oh, there's the moon. Someone. Oh, I think there's a coffin, no? Wow.
Chicken outdoor.
Baby, look. What are you doing? Oh, potek. Okay.
You have to bend down.
Umupo agad. OMG.
Movie ako dito ah. Wait ata. Wait for us.
But he's almost at the
Ate, what's that? La, baby, look at this. Whoa, witch hunt. Oh, it's a roller coaster. Go, kids.
Same stimulus as going skydiving, even without wings.
Press.
And enjoy.
No. Oh, go kay press. No. You see? This is the brain, no? A big one. Hey, this way to exit.
About Gemma.
No, ate. Ah, ito na pala yun.
That's slow.
Huling-huling to. Huling-huling. Huling-huling to.
Hindi. this one is a mouse. This is a mouse. It's a rodent.
Oh, it's sleeping time.
Iba pala yung rodent sa mouse, ano?
Species yata nila yun eh.
This one's hamster.
Nasa na?
Oh, where's the hamster? I think he might be hiding there.
He's hiding.
Yeah. Somewhere there.
Wala akong kaibo.
Stick insect. Is the one, oh, this one, oh. There, there. Here.
Oh, like this, oh.
Oo, those are stick. They look like branch. Kung ano, tingnan mo to, oh.
Ate, doon kung kayo na.
Alam mo ka talaga silang branch, daddy.
Oo nga eh. Galing no?
Pero, ayun na. Amazing. Yes.
Kuliglig mo.
That's a cricket. Oo nga.
Galing
It's a cricket. You listen to the sound. In Tagalog, it's kuliglig.
Big.
Oo, kuliglig. You hear it?
Cockroach. Ayan, chasing cockroach.
Tingnan na yung itsura. Ano, ang laki. OMG, that's so big. Oh my God. Ay, yeah, hermit crab.
Kaso nakatago eh.
I know, we used to play with that
Yeah.
one when we were kids.
Kaso mapangin yan eh.
Talaga? There. Oo. There's a hermit crab there. Yeah, it's a bit shy though. Let's go. Uy, ang ganda ng fish. Ate, oh. The colors are beautiful.
Ah, hello. Just now you look at me.
It's called glass fish.
Blackfish is
There. Yun pala. Hindi pala yung isa. Yun o. Nakita mo, ate? Ah. May eel? Ay! Finding Nemo! Where's Nemo? Ano ang pangalan ng isa? Si Dory. There's Dory, oh.
the dolphin.
Oh, how many Nemos
Is this
you find?
finding Nemo?
Ang galing ng glass catfish. Nakita niyo?
Oo, daddy. Ano?
Ayun, yung ulo.
Parang ahos. Yung itsura dito, ayun yun.
Oh.
Looks like
Look
that's
at-
moray eels. Isa lang. Kay, want kay? Want to try? Go. Makes her ripple daw kapag nagtatouch siya sa brush. Then dirty. Okay. Let's go.
Kaso masarap.
Ay, showtime siya, daddy, oh. Ng robot. DNA.
How long is one?
Daddy, oh. Didn't check this one. Oh. Oh, hindi ako makakapasok. Oh! Ikaw kay, help ate. Help ate. Yan, good. Oh, Daddy, si kay.
Aso.
Pinasok sa loob. What the gosh, ang galing.
Oh.
Papakita ko yung kamay mo.
Oh.
Yan dito.
Oh.
Hindi ko masarap.
Ano ba ko? Ay, ano pala to?
Left.
Right
Left.
pala to.
Ha?
Ah, right.
Left, daddy. You see? When you push the button, the fingers also moves. Wala.
Ang isa
Okay. Wow! Ooh! It's a robot! Wow! Ay, say hi to the camera, oh.
Press hold button. Press
Speak
and hold
into-
button. Speak into microphone. Tap screen to proceed.
Hello.
Try talking to Ameka about sports.
Ano?
Ah, sige. Imagination. Language. Ah, wait lang. What's hello in Chinese, Ameka?
Ni hao.
Huh?
No,
Right
that I
now.
press.
Ah, sige, press na.
Oh.
Ay, din pala, Daddy. What's hello in Chinese?
What's hello in Chinese?
Mali
Titignan
tayo.
lang niya ako. Lo, titignan ka niya, Daddy.
What's hello in Chinese?
我在新加坡科学馆与人互动，有什么特别想了解的吗？
Naintindihan mo? Just say, sheshe.
谢谢你。
看来你对 CCD 感兴趣，能多说一点吗？我对此充满好奇。
Minumura ka na pala niya, hindi mo alam.
Can you speak in
Okay.
English? Bye bye.
Oh. Catch you later. Lone Star emoji.
Say ni hao.
你好，
你再见。
再见。
Machine.
Let's go. Catch the fun.
Kai, is it a fun glow? Hold on to Daddy.
Kai, look. There's a fire.
Tornado can reach up to about 6 meters tall. Okay, so that's how tall this chamber is, about 6 meters tall. But right at the top of the chamber, you will see that it's a filtration system. Again, this filtration system helps to minimize the amount of pollution that is caused by the fire tornado. That is also why we only
Okay, look,
show
oh. You don't want to watch,
once a day.
mommy will cook you down. Baba na. How about you? You want to go?
Yeah, bye-bye.
Oh, wait lang.
Picture,
don't push.
picture.
Ate, don't pull, don't pull.
Picture.
Picture. Kai, here.
It's open. Oh, Daddy naman.
Ayoko.
Ayoko, tapos biglang... Daddy, you're too big. Ala! tayo, next tayo kay Kai. Okay?
Sige. A big smile. Smile.
Okay. Oh, galing naman ni Ate. Na-open niya. Okay. Uy, sit down. Sit down ka raw.
We are not related, but we share the same sticky nose. It's no wonder that we bond so well with each other.
This is a mosquito larva. It's mosquito.
Mosquito.
Here, inside of it is a mosquito.
Daddy, there's
Kaya guys, mosquito larva.
Ew.
Yeah, ew.
Pero kakaibang mosquito kasi ang laki.
Grabe.
Later, ate.
Go here. Ate, dito. Dito, dali. There. Yes, there. Dali.
Wait for appetizer.
Say incoming!
Wait. Let's go. Go.
Let's go. Going viral. Touch screen. Yung sa baba, meron sa baba, Daddy. Saan si ate? Ilan na natatap mo ate? Go.
Wala naman eh. Ano lang yun eh. Parang... Kasi natin.
Yeah, you can do it. Dala, madami.
Ayan, hindi na uubos yan.
Yay! Okay. Another souvenir shops. Kumusta ang wallets natin dyan?